Friend, what are you doing up there? Sky, what you doing? Y'all just hanging? You was hanging with friends? You was hanging with friends? Give me 5 friends. All right. Hi guys. I'm about to cook. I got my bonnet on. Welcome to another bliggity vlog, bliggity, bliggity, bliggity vlog. I am hungry, starving, and I think today is the day I teach y'all how to make some pasta, honey, because pasta in the jar is a no-no. If you are still using the pasta in the jar and you just don't know anything else because you just don't know anything else, that's what this recipe gonna be for. So I have everything laid out right here, you guys. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be using. What you're gonna need is some heavy cream. Let me tell y'all, Alfredo sauce, all you really need is heavy cream and Parmesan cheese. Like, this is it, and then your own seasonings and stuff. So today we're going to be using heavy cream, also some coconut milk, because we are doing jerk pasta today, and I love me some jerk pasta. I like this sauce. This is the Walkerswood traditional Jamaican jerk seasoning. I got mild. I still think this is a little spicy, honey. Now I have this seasoning. This is some garlic Parmesan seasoning. I've never used this, but we're gonna be using this today. I always switch up the seasonings that I use just based on like what I have taste for. So yeah, anywho, some garlic. I'm gonna be using this minced garlic here. Also, like I said, Parmesan. You're gonna need some penne pasta. And these are peppers. My phone is charging too, my bad. But these are just some peppers and some onions because I love putting peppers and onions in my pasta. I have these shrimp here. I normally get large shrimp, but I got medium this time, so I'm just using what I have. And also some chicken breast. Okay. Oh, and also, I'm missing something. Fiesta style corn. I have to have corn in my stuff now. I don't know why. I feel like in my pasta, I really love corn. I normally use the regular kernels, but this time I'm gonna use this because I feel like it's cool. It's gonna be good, okay. But anyway, that's all we need. Let's get started. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now you can season it some more if you want, but this tastes delicious. So I'm done. I'm about to eat. I'm not gonna be putting any chicken with this. Like initially I was, but like I'm not now because I'm hungry and I need to get back to work. But tomorrow I may put the chicken breast with it, also with some toast and all that good stuff. But yeah, y'all, this is so bomb. Listen, it was good, friend. It was good. I ain't done yet, but I wanted to let y'all know. This right here, delicious. Yum, yum, yummy. Y'all, I had just did the octo curl yesterday, and look how my hair looks. It doesn't look horrible. It's nice and fluffy, but I'm gonna wash it today. I don't know what I want to do though. I don't know how I want to wash it. Y'all, my house is a mess. That's why I haven't been vlogging like that. And I ain't been showing y'all too much because the kitchen is a mess. Even though I just cooked, it was a mess. And I need to get up and clean it, but the cleaning lady comes tomorrow, so I'm like, might as well not clean it today. I think I'm gonna go ahead and do like a slick back or something. I feel like this would be a good style to convert into a nice slick back, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm actually watching The Order on TV. I'm on episode 5, but I don't know how I feel about it so far. I'm like, am I gonna tap out or am I gonna keep watching it? I just got done working and I'm about to work out, and I have been getting a lot of y'all asking me to just kind of record myself working out and stuff. This is my process. I'm gonna take y'all through it one more time. Well, my leggings are all right here. This is the drawer that goes in my closet in there, y'all, but it fell out because it's kind of heavy, y'all. I got way too many leggings in here. So anywho, I'm just gonna pick out some leggings that I want to wear. I ain't worn these in a minute. I like these. These my sexy ones. I showed y'all all of these. I'm gonna link it below. The video, the haul that I did with all my Amazon leggings. I love these leggings. They still going strong. Amazing quality. Amazing. But I need a shirt. I think I'm gonna just wear this bra today. Yeah, we're doing it. Friend, you see my anklet? I got my anklet for Amazon. I had to get me 2. I got double anklet. Don't look at my leg. I ain't shaved, okay? I ain't shaved, ain't did nothing. But anywho, I know I was supposed to be doing like some bead clips. You know how the people be doing the stuff and they be showing you their leggings as they putting them on. But then I was like, dang, friend need to know about these Amazon anklets. Okay, they're cute. All right, I got my fit on, my workout outfit or whatever. Now I'm about to put my hair up because I knew that was gonna be y'all next question. I normally just get me a scrunchie and then just pineapple. And I do a tight pineapple. I don't do a loose one because that's how you get that poofiness. You want to do a nice tight one, and you want to leave this on. You don't want to take your hair out like as soon as you're done working out. So do it nice and tight, and then don't take it out till later, because once you take it out and air gets in there with that sweat and that wetness, honey, it's gonna be frizzy and a mess. But I am gonna work out with this makeup on because I don't feel like taking it off. I'm gonna let these blinds open, let some sunshine in, yeah. Whoa. All right, okay. It's pre-workout time. You're just gonna need you a cup with a lid, preferably one of these bad boys that can screw. I like those. Now I have another pre-workout, and I actually like the taste of this one better. This is still C4. I had C4 last time, but this one is the Icy Blue Raspberry. Oh my gosh, it is so good. Like, y'all, I don't drink juices. I don't drink a lot of juices, a lot of sodas. I don't drink any sodas. I always drink water a lot of the time. So this is like only when I work out, and just the only bad thing that I would say I put in my body besides my protein sometimes. Anywho, this is beside the point, friend. The point is, I need to go get some water. So get some ice and some water, and then I'm gonna put a whole scoop of this. About that much, not too much. You don't have all day to be drinking this, honey. So, I'm just gonna take a scoop of this, and it looks like it sounds. Like blue raspberry goodness. It's so pretty. It has a beautiful blue color. When I'm shaking it, I just think it's like cotton candy. One scoop of that, gonna have you wired up. Gonna have you wired up, friend. You're gonna get your workout done. So just shake it up like this. Then it's gonna look something like this, and then you just drink it, and it tastes good. Now I log into my program, the program that I use. This is BBR, Bodies by Rachel. Now these dates are completely wrong because this is one of the older programs. I'm just now doing it. I didn't do it in April. But anyway, so today I'm going to be doing this workout, which it starts with an activation circuit, and then we do some glutes, weighted glutes, and then a finisher. So you always need to do like a nice little activation. This is how we normally do it. She'll count them out in 30 seconds, and then you press start, and you do basically 2 rounds of this. So band hip thrust and also the band kickbacks. You'll do that first, and then you'll move on to your glute workout, which is this stuff. And as you can see, it's like 4 rounds of 12, 4 rounds of 8, all that good stuff. And they're broken down, so I'll do all of the A's, and then all of the B's, and then all of the C's, and then the workout is complete. So quite a bit of stuff to do today, and then go to the finisher and band abductors. The thing I like about this program, like I've shown you guys this plenty of times, but they show you exactly what to do and how to do it. So I like that. But anyway, that's the workout I'm going to be doing today. Let's get started. Oh, and I also like to have a mirror. Like I have to have a mirror when I'm working out. The reason being is I do like to look at myself when I'm working out, and also I like to see my form. I can tell if I look stupid or dumb. I would highly recommend you get a mirror to do your workouts, but you don't have to. I love it. And one more thing before we get started was find music. I always go to Jujubee here on YouTube. She has a playlist. It looks like that. That's the cover for it. It's called Lifting. I'll link it below. And y'all can, you know, save it if you want. But it's just a bunch of hype songs. And it's very, very, very long. A lot of music. So that's what I really like about this playlist. You never really run out of music. And homegirl got good taste in music. So I'm going to be playing this. And let's get started. Are you ready for mom to work out? You ready? Workout done. You want to see these glutes? My glutes are on fire, you guys. They're on fire. They're coming in for the birthday. Hey, hey. Y'all see me? Yeah, they're hurting right now though. So I was on Instagram one day, y'all, just scrolling, and I saw this ad for pet food that was like Black owned, but they cook it fresh for you. And I think it was on Shark Tank or something. So I ordered it for Sky. So they come in like this container. This one is bark and beef. They come frozen. So all of her food is in my freezer, which is like, dang girl, you don't pay no bills here, but you got freezer space? Like, excuse me, I need this for me. This is all Sky's food. It's like a subscription membership. I'll let y'all know how her body likes it. As y'all can see, this is the bark and beef. This one is chicken. I think it's some lamb in here. But anyway, you have to thaw them out in the fridge. Oh, here you go. Here go 3. So I have lamb, chicken, and turkey, and she already ate one of the beef. So they say to thaw it out in the refrigerator and then microwave it. So that's what I did. When I was doing it, I had to put in everything about her, like her age, what type of dog she is, and then they did a custom thing, and it kind of took a little minute, probably like 2 weeks as processing and making the food and stuff. But then it showed up at the door and we're good. Did you like the food, mama? Did you like it? You don't know, like it's better than my regular, huh? Oh yeah. See, I like it, mama. Give me 5 if you like it. Oh, you like it. You just gonna give me 5 anyway. Okay, y'all, before I go shower, I wanted to go ahead and put my wings in the oven because I want some wings tonight. I already have them marinating in like some, don't ask me why, I'm just trying this, but I normally do put it in vinegar, but there's some salt and pepper in here as well. They just been sitting in here for a little minute, just kind of cleaning the wings, but I don't know why I got the salt and pepper in there. Anywho, so I'm about to rinse the wings off, and I also got this pan. I'm gonna be using this, but I need something because I don't want the chicken to be touching the bottom. I'm gonna just put the chicken on this. I'm gonna go ahead and set my oven to about 450, 425, let's do that. I went ahead and seasoned the chicken and I laid them all out. I don't know where I got these little baby chickens. They so tiny, but oh well. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 45 minutes, and at 20 minutes or so, I'm gonna flip them. So while I'm showering, I'm gonna go ahead and put these bad boys in the oven. I can not mean get it, do my own thing, so I know I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, no drip, I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, I know I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, no drip, I roll, no drip, this a river, I roll, I know I can chubby belly big enough. Okay, y'all, so I've already eaten, so I've already showered and stuff, and it's bedtime because I am tired. Today was a long day. I hope you guys like seeing me cook and also watching me do workouts, because I really kind of went in today and my glutes been killing me. If you guys want to see more workouts and more cooking and all that good stuff, just let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.